Hi! Today we're gonna look at two different Parkside products for gardening. This is Anvil Secateurs for cutting branches up to 1 centimeter, as it's written here, 10 millimeters, and the garden handsaw, which is used to cut up to 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. So we're gonna open these two products now, and we're gonna try and test them and see how they work. This is the warranty. So here, as you can see, this is unlocking the blade button, and this is the hand size button. So if it's for women or smaller hand, you could push this button toward this direction, so you can use less force to cut the tree branches. If you are male or have a bigger hand, you push the button on the right on the bigger hand. So depending on your hand, it's quite comfortable, has a nice grip here and here. This is a lock and unlock the button, and this is the actual cutting blade. Let's open the garden handsaw. You won't be needing this anymore. Also, there is a nice lid, so you can use it so it doesn't fall like that. Garden handsaw, this is the lock button for the blade. Now you put it in lock position, and you can see it's 20 centimeters in. It can count up to 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. So unlock the blade, put it back, lock, and this is the option you can put on your collar or hang on something. So let's try these two products now. How they actually work. We're gonna check the thickness, how it's going to cut. It's quite good actually. Nice grip, quick working. Let's see, thickness above 1 centimeter. Can still go. Nice Teflon blade, not sticking. And above that, a bigger problem. It's not quite smooth. We need a lot more force, but we can also damage the blade. Nice. Now we're gonna try the other PARKSIDE blade. Let's see. So this should be around 3 centimeters, and it's a quite a smooth cut. Not so fast, but it's doing the job. Now let's try up to 6 centimeters. It can cut up to 6 centimeters, but it's a lot more effort, so I wouldn't recommend for that. 2, 3, 4, it's okay. 6, it's not gonna be, but it's gonna do the job. So overall, good quality for the money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thank you. See you in my next video.